Hey there, awesome people. I hope you guys are doing great. This is your Victor from WearView, and today in this video I'll be teaching you how to photograph pants for resale photos that sells faster. Now I know how important it is to click pictures for your addresses or for your garments, but for this video we are going to be talking about pants because for men as well as females, for a woman, pants are really important, and if you're really serious about selling your pants, then this video is for you, because I'll be giving you a few tricks how you can take great pictures of your pant, and also I have a bonus with the help of using WearView. So stick until the end of today's video. Now I have a cheat image or a checklist that for you to follow while clicking pictures for your pants. This is on it will be on the screen with the help of editing. The editing, I'm just telling as if I'm editing a really high quality video, but no, this is a simple editing. Now, first thing that I want you guys to focus on is prepare your pants, because you don't want the image to capture lint or shifting in colors and stuff like that. Make sure your clothes or make sure your pants are clean, they don't have any lint. Try to maybe steam it or press it. Make sure your pants are in the best condition possible before you take images of it. Second is layout. Make sure you lay your pants flat on the table. Make sure you have a backdrop of a solid color, maybe white or dark gray or black, whatever it is, but preferably use white backdrop, and then lay down your pants over it so that it will be a great fit for you to click an image of. Third is lighting. Make sure you invest on a good key light. If it is really expensive for you, then try shifting the table to a natural source of light, which is your window, because trust me guys, for photos as well as videos, natural light is one of your best friend. Not one of you, is the best friend for you. So make sure you nail the lighting before you take the image of your pant. Fourth is the shot checklist. Make sure the pant is you take images of it overhead image of your pant. It would just look really nice. Make sure to shoot the image in the highest quality possible. Fifth is tag shots. If you have some brand names or tags in the pants, make sure you come close to it and then click images. It will be a great variation when you will be uploading these images to your store or website. Sixth comes to the details. Make sure your buttons are visible, as well as zippers and all the loops where the belt goes. Make sure all these things turns out pretty nice in the images. Make sure you click them as well. Seventh comes the measurement. Make sure you show a good measurement while you're measuring your pants. Maybe the waist level, the thighs and stuff like that, or also maybe the ankle. If it is possible, give them the measurement. That will help your customers understand the dimension of your pants. And 8 is pro formatting. Try out different ways of stitching all those pictures together. I know this is a really time-consuming process, but this is something that you can do by yourself without hiring a professional a professional photographer or videographer and stuff like that. And also you don't have to hire a studio for all these kind of work. Now I have a bonus tip. Like I said, what if you could take the image? This is the image that I took at home. What if you could take this image and make it worn by a professional model, just like this one? Now you must be thinking, hey Victor, I don't have the money, as well as I don't have time to invest in such a high quality thing. It's a really serious thing. Well, don't worry, I have a trick for you. First, what I want you guys to do is go ahead to wearview.co. Once you go there, log into your account, or if you don't have an account, create one. It just takes less than 10 seconds. Next, click on the Try It Now button. Once you click on the Try It Now button, you will have all these features. Don't worry, just click on AI product to model. All right, this is the second click that you did. Once you are inside AI product to model, you will need to upload. Let me just click it once again. Yeah, right now you will need to upload or select the products that you want your AI to wear. Now you must be thinking, what about AI, what are you talking about? Don't worry, just select your dresses. For example, I have this cargo pants that I just showed you just a minute before. Along with that, let me also upload this t-shirt. Why? Because I'm just uploading. I'll just show you what will happen. And once you have uploaded your images, click on the next button. Now it is asking me to select a model. Now you must be thinking, hey Victor, I don't have a model. Don't worry, click on the My Models button. Next, go to Model Library right here and make sure you choose men because we're, uploading images or we're creating images for men. Now you can see WearView has a huge collection of amazing looking man AI model. But if you want, you can also create your very own model as well by clicking on the Create AI model. But for this video, I'm going to be choosing Omar. So I'll click on it. And finally, I'll click on the next button. Here you can describe your model, which I'll skip it. I'll choose 2K. If you're really serious about the business, then choose 4K. It will give you the best quality possible. But 2K works great as well. So number of images, I'll choose 1. And for aspect ratio, I'll choose vertical because I want it to be vertical. And then I'll just click on the generate button. That's how easy it is. Now you will have to wait around 30 seconds for WearView to do its work. So I'll just continue the video once AI does its magic. All right, guys. Now, as you can see, Omar is wearing our shirt, our t-shirt, as well as the trouser or the pants that we just chose. Now I must be thinking this is just a single image. We cannot get on more images. So what I will do here, I'll click on AI pose control. What we'll do, we'll use the power of AI to, generate more poses. We'll select it. So we'll click on the next button. We will select men for the pose type. For sex, we'll use men, and we will choose all the poses right here. Let me just choose these 3 or these 4 poses. I'm not choosing any complicated ones. I'll click on the next button, choose the quality, and we'll finally click on the generate button again. And we'll wait for around 30 to 40 seconds. And after its generation is completed, I'll resume the video right away. All right, guys. So after 30 seconds, you can see all these images, the same pants, the same t-shirt with amazing poses, with amazing Omar, which is an AI model. You get all these images. And of course, if you use these images in your store, in your website, how can you say your customers are not going to go ahead and click on buy for the t-shirt or maybe for the pants? Well, that's how easily WearView can create images for you, can create, AI models wearing your dresses. Well, that's how it is. That's how easy it is. Well, that was the bonus tip that I wanted to show you. And that's how you photograph pants for resale, as well as photos that really sells faster. Now, let me recap what I just showed you or what I just explained in this video. First, prep your pants, wash it, press it, as well as use lint roller to remove all the lint. Make your pants as high quality as possible. Layout, make sure you lay flat your pants. Make sure you have a backdrop, preferably white. Third is lighting. Make sure to invest on a key light or use natural light, which is your bestest friend ever. Fourth is the shot checklist. Make sure you think before like taking the shot, the top shot, the close-up and stuff like that. And for the shots, you can go ahead for tag shots, which is if you have a branding somewhere, make sure you do a close-up for it, or if you have some other kind of tags, close up and then take the shot. Sixth is details like buttons, zippers, the belt loops and all other sorts of details that you might have in the pants. Make sure you focus on it. Measurements, give a better measurement, details in the picture as well. Measure the waist, the thighs, the ankle and stuff like that will give your buyers a better understanding of the dimension of the pants that you're selling. And last comes the formatting, which, like I said, showed in your video. And finally, the bonus tip is using WearView to create amazing pictures just like this one. I know, it is really nice. And all the images that I showed you previously were also created by WearView. And that's how easy it is. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. This is your Victor from WearView. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Until that day, take care.